Today's tutorial is on an iPhone 7 Plus battery replacement. The tools you need are located in the description below. Let's begin. Okay, using a pentalobe screwdriver at the bottom of the iPhone, take the two screws out. Now using a pry open tool and a heat gun, first you need to heat the screen. Now just heat it enough where you can still touch it, almost as hot as a warm coffee cup. Once you've done that, you can get your pry open tool and move around the side. As you can see, I'm only putting the actual pry open tool a few millimeters in, just to unstick the seals. Once you've done that, you can slowly lift the screen up. I like to lift from the bottom and then from the left, and then you flip it over like so. And now we have the battery exposed, and we need to take the plate holding the battery clip down. So using your tri-point screwdriver, use the actual screwdriver to remove the 4 screws, as you can see. Remove the plate using your fingers, it comes off fairly easy. Now you'll see that's where the actual battery clip is. So just lift that up. Once you've done that, you can move on to the taptic engine, which is essentially the vibration part. I'm just heating the bottom up so it can just warm up the adhesive. You can do that after you take off the actual taptic engine. Now using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 3 screws holding down the taptic engine, and then flip it over. Now just be careful you don't cut the cable. As you can see there, it's still stuck down. Now using a heat gun on the other side of the actual rear case, I just like to heat it up. Once again, you don't want to go too hot. You just want to heat it up enough where your hand can still touch it and it feels as hot as a warm coffee mug. Once you've done that, you've got the little tabs at the bottom. These tabs help remove the adhesive. I'm just slowly lifting them up just so you can see it. Usually you can just lift them up with your fingers and pull them out, but to actually make it visually available for you to see, I'll just lift it up and you just slowly pull them out. Like I've sped up the video here, but you can actually just pull them out fairly slowly and then they'll come out. You lift the battery up. If there's any remaining adhesive, just remove that. Now everything in reverse. So what we do is we get double-sided tape. I've got a link below in the description on the tape I use. Now most kits nowadays do come with double-sided adhesive, and you can use that. You put the battery in and you clip it down. Then we flip back over the taptic engine. Once again, it's everything in reverse. We put down the 3 screws using a Phillips head screwdriver. And the plate, using a tri-point screwdriver, put in those 4 screws. This obviously secures the LCD cables and the battery cable down. We fold everything back over. Secure everything in place. And finally, use the pentalobe screws to screw it in. And once that's done, you obviously test your battery. Please like, please subscribe, and thank you once again.